folks, it's Rachel from Folsom Lake RV. We're doing another 360 tour today, so don't forget that you can scroll it around, up or down, left or right, however you want to see this RV while I'm talking. If you don't want to miss what I'm saying, just press pause, take a peek around, press play again, and I'll be waiting right here for you. So today we're looking at the 2018 Montana High Country 305RL. This is by far one of the most popular RVs we have here on the dealership, and I can tell you that it's also very popular across the country. First, it is a Montana, and everyone knows the Montana brand is a very excellent brand. It's been #1 for over a decade. They've done some updates now that really make it stand out in my eye. One of the reasons it's becoming one of my favorite full-timer RVs. So if you take a look around, you can see we've got plenty of living space, entertaining space. We've got this large window in the back with privacy shades if you need it. So wherever you're parked, you can look at your beautiful view. We've got our recliners here with our cup holders. Gotta have those cup holders. It's watching our television with our fireplace with different levels of heat available with the fireplace. We've got the refrigerator right here. Large, can hold lots of the items that you need for your long-term trips or if you're just staying in here. We've also got over here plenty of counter space on the kitchen island, as well as stainless steel sinks and a glass top cover on the oven stovetop for more counter space, making it more livable. Like I mentioned before, this is a full-timer RV, so it does have a warranty for those of you who want to full-time it, whether you're going across the country and up through Canada, or you've got it parked on a beautiful piece of land while you're building your new home. We've got convection microwave, so you can make some cookies for your guests if you want, as well as ample storage here for your pantry. You can fit lots of dog food down there for your puppies too. So the reason that I like this, that stands out over the other RVs, is its contemporary style. Montana's really stepped it up with their style this model year. So back here we've got our subway tile backsplash, also over here. And I'm going to take you over into the bedroom for just a second so that you can see what I'm talking about with these added features. Take a look at that headboard back there. Gone is the stuffy, overpowering headboard. We've got a light, airy, contemporary headboard to really add to your sanctuary here. We've got back here washer and dryer hookups built in, as well as a large wardrobe for all of your items that you need. For more information about the Montana High Country 305RL, visit the links. Thank you.